It doesn't take very long to pick it up. And honestly, I've been playing for a few months, and then I got serious with the coach. I hope he's here. Sunny? No? Okay. No, so... Is he here? No, but please say I mentioned him. What I learned with Sunny in the last 3 sessions I've done with him, I hadn't learned in 6 months. So he is absolutely fantastic, and he's making me love the game even more. And he's also, by the way, enrolled me in advanced mixed doubles, which I do not belong in. But I love the game, and you know, I think it's a long time coming, and it's the efforts of people who've believed in the game, like Arvindji. And here's to pickleball growing from strength to strength. And I know you have a flavor over here, Suresh, that says achari, but there's got to be a flavor that says pickle somewhere in it. That's coming up next. And for him, it's not a calculated risk, like you said. It's a no-brainer. It's a no-brainer because this is such an amazing game. Anybody can play it. And like, you know, like bingo snacks, you know, it's for any age. It's for any it cuts across. So very happy to be here and very happy to support the sport and very happy to play it.
Thank you so much, Mandira. Big round of applause. And we will see your bingo moment in the tournament when you play the mixed doubles. We are waiting for that. But moving ahead, we also have another Khatron Ki Khiladi who's made her mark in television and films. She's also a very fit person. Looking forward to see her playing pickleball. Request Naira Banerjee to please come up and say a few words. Big round of applause.
Everybody, first of all, you know, cinema जाते हैं, popcorn खाते हैं. It's gonna be like pickleball खेलते हैं, bingo खाते खाते.
So you got your slogan now, okay?
Yeah.
Then please note it down.
You know, that's a great move, and I'm really glad that this collaboration happened. Pickleball is such a cute, easy game. You know, मैं जब इसके बारे में सोच रही थी, it was like it's between table tennis and badminton, and this is something that anybody can play. It's such an easy sport. I've heard a lot about this, more than 500 million plus players globally and 50,000 in India. It's crazy. So, yeah, and growing. It's really cool. So all the best to the entire team, and I'm really looking forward to play this game and enjoy this game.
Thank you so much. Fantastic, and definitely we look forward to see all of you not just play, compete, and it's a great moment. So the next step of this cryogenic rocket that we're going to shoot today is the unveiling of the jersey for Team India. It's a big moment for everyone because this is the moment that we have all been waiting for. So I request the Indian player, Team India, please come up. Vanshik, Isha, Tejas, Rishali, Kuldeep, Anuja, Sonu, Mayur, Gaurav, and Kashyap to please come back behind the guests. Ladies and gentlemen, if you can... Yes, I would also request the president of CCI, the venue ma'am, please, if you could also join us in the unveiling of the jersey. Thank you so much for being part of this celebration.